Wish 1075. Welcome back to the Road Show. It's your sound trip buddy DJ Alice checking in right here and keeping you company up until 8 p.m. live for the Wish 1075 bus right here at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Saying hello to all of our wishers outside the Wish bus and hello to all of the pearls. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the comeback of P-Pop boy group Press Hit Play. Hi!
Hello guys!
Hi! Huwag naman kayo isa-isa sa wishers natin.
So hi, we are Press It Play!
Kumusta everyone? I am Seth.
Hi, I'm JP. And it's Charles right here, and it's good to be back here inside the X.
Hi! It's always great to have you back kasi every time you visit the Wish Bus, laging may bago. Diba? Apart from aesthetics, there's always a new song and new achievements to share with all of our wishers. So update mo naman kami. What have you been busy with and what have you missed from Press It Play?
Bago po matapos yung taon last year, signed po kami ng record label deal with Sony Music Philippines. So maraming salamat po. And lahat po ng mga release namin, actually nakadalawang songs na po kami this year, which is yung Hey Love and our latest single is Ate Luwata po. So great head start for the year.
Yes, and hindi dyan natatapos kasi we are still continuously preparing and creating more songs that will be released this year.
Ooh, well, exciting times to be a Pearl. And kanina sa soundcheck nyo, I did notice a whole lot of improvement when it comes to your vocals, your confidence. Kasi diba, whenever we would have you here on the Wish Bus, laging may halong kaba. I always tell me na parang ngayon, iba, you own, you know, the whole attitude for today. So, what do you think? How will that change this time around?
Siguro, naging confident din kami dito sa Wish Bus.
Also, siguro ang confident kasi ang fans namin with us right now. And of course, it's been 3 years since we debuted. Ang dami na rin namin experience. Kasi nandun syempre itong Wish Bus. Kaya being here is always a privilege and we're very happy to be here.
We're so happy to see your progress, especially as Press It Play. So hindi ko natatapos yung training nyo every day. You still practice a lot. So you always make sure that you, well, improve your craft.
Actually, araw-araw talaga kami nagpo-practice. Halos yung hindi pa nga nare-release yung song namin. Medyo na kami. Practice na din namin yung song na yung song namin.
To give our fans a little spoiler, ngayon pinapromote namin yung latest song namin pero pinapractice na namin yung next song.
Maraming mga pasasok to all of your fans. At hindi sila, syempre, well, magsasawa when it comes to music. And I know that napaka-spoiled yung mga pearls dito sa Press It Play. From different, you know, content on social media to songs. Definitely, this year is going to prove to be big for you guys. So without further ado, let's start off your set.